the clutches.
Yeah.
You know the new clutches, how look the clutches? No. When it's new?
When it's new, how does it look? So these are really worn down then. Okay. Wow. Well, that's why it doesn't grab.
Yeah, it's that one. And the steel's no good, the steel's. And this is broken. One free overhaul key, you know. Free overhaul key, this is the overhaul key.
Yeah. Sweet. Look at that.
That all the way down?
Yeah.
Other side.
All right. Let's do the other side.
Hey, out of my garage. Let's go. Again, these two are different, but oh shoot, that one's really different. How's that gonna work? Okay, so I've drilled this out. Brand new wastegates. They definitely hold more PSI when they're off the engine. I can feel they're tighter than the old wastegates. This is the oil catch can that is part of these white block engines. It's pretty much the same design on all the white blocks, and one of the main points that they leak, the sealing ring gets broken down and it makes a mess. See what happens here, ladies and gentlemen.
Stop, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off. Oh, shoot. All right, here we go. I'm punching it. Get it, hazards on. Turbocharger control system flow fault. Flow too high. I shouldn't have punched it. I punched it and it's caused some crazy thing. I'm gonna wait here till there it goes. No. Oh shit. Hey, I made it to the exit. Look at this. This is very close to complete. I'm gonna drag it back in the garage. I'm gonna hook it back up to the computer. We're gonna figure out these last little bits here. And I'm gonna make this check engine light go away. Volvo's software, a lot of internal communication problems here. I didn't realize it was this bad. Variable valve timing issues, rear O2 sensor, electronic throttle module, ABS. The car is kind of undrivable and there's just so many issues. And I'm just gonna have to trace the wiring on a lot of these things. And if there's resistance and sensors, test everything and just kind of try to map it out and figure out what's acting correctly and what's not. Alright, this is kind of spooky. There's no key in. The fans are on. They're totally blowing. This is so bizarre. I mean, legitimately, why would this turn on? Okay. Like, the car has been off. Why would that do that? I knew this was out of my league. It was time to call in the Russians. Hello?
Hey David, this is Sergey from Total Autonet.
Hi, Sergey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
It's very common problem for these cars. Our module, if you buy our module, we can extract data online via your dice.
Okay.
And after, as soon as we extract data, we can program our module, our CM module, and send it to you.
Yes, DICE is connected.
Module to pedal area. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, I can pull out the CM module very easily.
I recommend to take a photo all relay locations before you pull out it.
Okay. Okay. Pull off the back.
You have, for now, you have very pointed tweezers, right?
Yes.
You just will see where it's scratched, and you can short the same time.
Okay.
Same time. Do not release until I ask you. Even if you hear click or short click once or two times, if you hear click, do not release until I ask you. Okay?
Okay.
David, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm shorting, yes. I'm holding it.
Okay. Okay, keep it. Okay, release.
Released.
Okay, nice. We started to read.
All right. Got a blown out CV joint. I can't really see up under here, but you can see that's totally. Oh, dude. Oh man, I broke the rim off the wheel.